Hello everybody, welcome to my official YouTube channel. If this is your first time seeing us here on YouTube, please don't forget to hit on subscribe button so that anytime we upload video, you will be the first person to see it. Thank you. So in today's topic, we are going to show you on how you can stop TalkBack on your phone. And you know what TalkBack means? It will pronounce the pad, any pad that you touch on the phone, it will pronounce the name. So you can see here, you can see the way the screen is malfunctioning. So that is what TalkBack can do on your phone. When TalkBack is activated on your phone, when you touch it will call the name. Before you can access any app in that phone, it will take time. So I'm going to show you on how you can deactivate it from your phone. So you follow the step by step that I'm going to show you now. First of all, you will go to your setting. After you have entered your setting, you will look for special function. So when you have seen it in the menu, then you touch it. But if you don't see it on your first menu, all you have to do is to go here, you search for it. Is for you to go to this particular place, search setting, then you type the name, type TalkBack. When you have typed the talk here, the option will pop up. Then you will see the full option TalkBack. You touch it. So I'm going to type TalkBack here. Talk. Then after you have typed the talk, you send it. You can see that menu have opened here. You can see the first one here. The first one, TalkBack billing keyboard. Then the second one here, TalkBack. Then the other one, device accessibility. Then face match lock and talk. Then you are going to go to this TalkBack. This TalkBack, you touch it, and it's under special function. It's under special function. So you are going to touch it now. After you have touched it, it will open. A new menu will open like this, which is under the special function. You see accessibility. Then you come down, you take it down. I look for this TalkBack. When you touch it, you will see the option here, use TalkBack. When I activate it like this, it will ask me, allow TalkBack to have full control of your device. Full control is appropriate for apps that help you with accessibility links, but not for most apps. If you touch the allow, the TalkBack will come up. So let me touch it now. You can see that I've already activated it. You can see that the screen is already malfunctioning. Now you can see here on my screen that is malfunctioning. So if you want to deactivate it, you also touch it. You are going to touch it twice for you to deactivate it. So I'm going to touch it twice. You can see that stop TalkBack. Then you touch it. You touch stop twice. You tap it twice. I've typed it, so you can see that it has already been deactivated. So that is how you deactivate TalkBack from your phone. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit on subscribe button so that anytime we upload video, you will be the first person to see it. Thank you. Bye.